I will now assemble the modified CPAP circuit with one PEEP valve. Here we have our oxygen enhancement valve. I taped off the inlet for the oxygen tank for testing purposes. I'm going to connect its male end to the CPAP tube. Then taking a T connector, I'll connect its male end to the oxygen enhancement valve. Take our PEEP valve or pressure valve if you have one, connect it to the end of the T connector. Then take a viral filter, connect its female end to the top, and then take our non-vented mask and connect it to the viral filter. So we have the CPAP tube, the oxygen enhancement valve, a T connector with a PEEP valve connected at the end, a viral filter connected at the top, which is connected to our non-vented mask. And this is the overall circuit for the CPAP.